Hello. So you guys still haven't done nothing. I'm still going in circles because I mean everybody knows the truth and everybody's like, I don't know what you're talking about. That's not my fault. What I know is the weather. All the stuff is really happening. I'm driving in circles out there, and you guys are just going to the lake, swimming, playing music, having a good old time. It's not funny. It's not funny. You're not allowed to torture, terrorize, harm people on purpose. Law enforcement. You're not allowed to set people up. It's a crime. You're not allowed to have a hearing when I'm not there because I was never at a hearing. In my I was never there. If I was, I didn't know it. I mean, I never went to a courthouse. If I did, you guys hypnotized me and took me there when I didn't know it. Now, that's your fault. I'm gonna stop and restart. Now, what I do know is every time I would go around in Dallas and I'd meet somebody, they'd introduce me to somebody. So this is Brett. My friend said, "What's your name?" I said, "Brett." What? Brett Finnerty. No, that can't be you. No, no. I'd hate to have that. So why? Why does everybody keep saying that? Show me ID, Brett. Show them. So I show them ID. Oh no, no, no. They start doing that. Why would they do that? What did you do, law enforcement? What did you do, FBI, Kyle Whaley? What'd y'all do, Texas? What'd you do, Oklahoma? It's not funny. It's not funny. You're not allowed to do this to somebody. You're not allowed to hurt people. You're not allowed to threaten people. You're not allowed to terrorize people, law enforcement, to shut them up for what you did. I'm gonna stop and restart. Stop and restart. So I'm gonna show you some stuff you're never gonna be able to erase. Now this is the Falcon 9 SpaceX rocket. Just watch the video. You can't do this stuff. Intel was showing stuff like this on their
Three,
computers,
two,
screens.
one.
They were bragging about it. People are like, fake news.
Liftoff of the Falcon 9.
Fast forward to where it lands. You can't do this stuff. Fast forward to where it lands. It's right about here. Coming in.
Sonic. Stage 1 landing marine startup. Stage 1 landing leg deploying.
Awesome. Star Wars. Look, that's what we're rolling. That's what we're rolling. It's all lies.
Falcon 9 has landed.
So that was the Falcon 9. Here's the Mars one. This is the Starship that they just blew up on your marijuana day, Kimberly Dresch. 420 for 2023. Everybody saw it explode. It was on the Wall Street Journal exploding. Wall Street Journal. That's a Starship. The SpaceX website. There it is. That's your Starship. That's it right there. Now it's 400 feet long. If you can see a 400-foot rocket hit the moon, because they showed a 400-foot rocket hit the moon, or they showed a rocket hit the moon, it was 400 feet like this, 400 feet. It says 400 feet. Then you should be able to see the space station flying around over the Earth all the time because this thing says it's 400 feet. There it is. It's 400 feet. Anyway, I'm gonna stop and restart so I don't lose any time. Okay, here we go. So this is the Wall Street Journal one. Oh, that's CNET highlights. This is a successful one. This is successful. This is where it takes off the land successful.
US 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
This is
3,
2 years ago.
2, 1. Ignition. We have liftoff. Triage alerts, please. Restart. I don't want that goal. Okay, so stop and restart. Go to the point where it starts to land. Because this is where you'll see it power off. You'll power off.
Right now, businesses are facing tough choices. Do you satisfy shareholders or
Stupid commercials. That's it flying through the air. I guess they have a drone recording this. Maybe it's one of your marine helicopters flying with it. Let's record the SpaceX rocket. Whoa.
T+3 come back up when we hit 10 kilometers right about in
Look,
3
it's kind of
seconds.
starting to hover now. It's starting to hover.
Coming up on T plus 4 minutes.
See T plus 4 minutes. I'm gonna stop and restart. Okay, I'm at the same place.
T plus
minutes. We're at 10 kilometers. We've gone into the hover. We're still being powered by the single Raptor engine.
It's hover mode with a single Raptor engine. Hover mode. There, it's getting ready to fall. It's getting ready to fall. There it goes. Man, if we can do this, you guys get me a TIE fighter. I want a TIE interceptor. That's what I want. TIE interceptor. Here we go. This is a good part. I'm about to stop and restart. Stop. Just remember where it is. Stop and restart. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Let's continue. Watch it flip because Charles Ray was talking
T
about
plus
this.
4 minutes and 40 seconds.
It was,
Starship has
1998
transitioned. It's flipped to the
2005.
horizontal
That's the
mode,
last time I saw Charles Ray.
beginning the descent back to
He
the
was talking
landing
about this.
zone.
He was talking about how, look, Brett, look, the wings come down just like you said it should. Hey, look, it's landing, Brett. How did he know this stuff? And I'm just now seeing something's wrong. Somebody better start telling the truth. Somebody better start doing something right for once. Can't do this to somebody. Just let them walk endlessly in lies. Just because you don't want to tell the truth what you did. You can't do that. You can't commit crimes against people and just say, oh, we're sorry. Sorry, guys. I'll stop and restart. What's that? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, this is for that army guy. That not army guy. The cop in Ardmore Jail said, "I don't care about Super Rocket. You're gonna care about Super Rocket." Here we go. Chips, salsa. This is the hot salsa. You should try it. Try ghost flavor. Try Carolina Reaper. Try
Coming up on 5 minutes, 45 seconds. We're down below 2 kilometers. We're preparing to light 3 Raptor engines to begin the flip sequence. It'll culminate with landing on the landing pad in Boca Chica.
2005. There it goes. I'm gonna stop and restart. I don't have much time. I'm gonna stop and restart. Okay, here we go. Here we go. We'll restart. There it goes. What's this? There we go. Okay, saw that. So let's stop this. Go to the next one. Let's check my time. 27. I'm gonna stop and restart. 27, 20. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here's the next one. This is the one with Wall Street Journal. 5.2 million people watched this. 2023. I know because of this moment right about here where you see all the fire. So I remember them showing this to be years ago. That they showed this to be years ago.
As the velocity increases, the density of the atmosphere is decreasing, lessening stress on the vehicle. The call out, max Q now.
This is one we're supposed to have blown up in space. This one, look, this is the most replayed part right
Was
here.
icing on the cake.
Boom! Space look.
There, and there, as you saw, as we promised, an exciting end to the Starship.
Okay, we're still going. That was
New rule.
Stop it. Go to the next one. This is something that Beth Tyndall. I think it was Beth Tyndall at Rack Daddy's told me, Brett, this tornado is never going to happen. This tornado is not going to happen. It's not going to happen. She specifically said. I said, what tornado? She goes, the one that hits Walmart Round Rock and goes up to Granger, Texas by the Curley Elementary School. I just want you to tell you, the Curley Elementary School doesn't exist. It's not there. That tornado's never going to happen. It happened. It happened. It happened. It's not, I didn't do this. I did not build the Curley Elementary School. I did not move Han Wong up there. Somebody told me years ago, everybody knows your girlfriend's going to have a house by that Curley Elementary School to stop this from happening. Tornado curved around her house, curved around the school, went right up to Granger. Just like, I don't know. It's got to be in the Bible. It's got to be. Stop and restart. Okay, here we go. But this is it right here. This is the one that hit there it is. That's the one mark. That's the one that hit Walmart. There. That's it. That's the one that hit Walmart. There. I sent her along a song, you know, and she called and said, "There's nothing between us. It was boys and fire and ice until you suffer." So, and God said, "Send her the song, Brett." And she called me and said, "There's nothing between us." Next day, bam, bam, God, I kept calling. I said, "Something big's about to happen. Something big." God tells me something big's about to happen. Something big happen, just like God told me, and it's still something really big's about to happen. You guys have a choice. You only have one choice now. I don't think you're gonna listen. It's your own fault. I'm gonna stop and restart. Okay, we're starting now. This to show you, this is where it landed. Here's where is it? There's Curly Elementary right here. Right here's Curly Elementary. So click on that so we can see the spot. There we go. Get out of here. Zoom out. Let's just do this. Zoom out. There's Curly Elementary, and there's I-35. This is where the Walmart is. Right here. This is where the Walmart is. Just so you know it. Zooming in. There's the Walmart. There's Curly Elementary School. Along lives right about here somewhere. And it's when I came right up here by Kalahari Heights, came over here and curved around and went on up to Granger. Yeah, right up to Granger. Granger. See it. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna check my time. Check my time. Don't want over. 57 seconds. That was close. That's 57 seconds. Granger's right up here somewhere. I got a little map on here. Let's just do this. Where's Granger? Um, there it is. Granger right there. There. Right there. So tornado came from I-35 right here, Slugerville. So it came right here, curved around this, and went down here to bottom side Granger. It really did curved around. It really did. It went through it. But that's where our one lives. Tornado came just like God. God didn't tell me this was going to be. He said something big's about to happen. Something big happened. God tells me something big, really big, is about to happen. I keep warning, just like Moses warned Pharaoh. I see bitterness. I'm gonna get you. That's what you guys do all the time. You're always there. Anyway, question is, I'm gonna start. Restart. The question is, how in the world did Beth Tyndall know about this tornado back when I met her? I don't know, 2010, 2009 to up to, because I left in 2019. How did she know about it from then to 2019? And then it happened in 2022. How did Beth Tyndall know about that? That's the question you need to start asking. Here's another question, because Justin Eric Hunt from Alcatel, and I haven't seen Justin since Soteris Networks back in 2002 or three, something like that. I haven't seen him since. Well, I saw him driving his car the other day, a little red car. That was Justin. At least I think it was. But I haven't talked to him since then. I have not talked to him. And how did he know? Because he told me, he said, Brett, that tornado's never going to hit that Baptist college in Shawnee, Oklahoma. I said, what are you talking about? He said, it's never going to happen. It's never going to happen, but we're not going to let that happen. I'm going to stop and restart. Okay, so restart. So how in the world did Justin Eric Hunt from Alcatel, Stairs Networks, and Yada Networks, is it Yada Networks, how do you know that tornado was going to happen? Because there it is. It happened. 2023. Okay. All these events are happening now. The people told me these events are never going to happen. Places I'm showing up, people say, you know, I'm going to get you when you show up. How do they know I'm going to be there? Because I didn't know. I'm just like, God is guiding me. So you're going to be here, you're going to be there, you're going to go here, go. I go exactly where I'm supposed to be. And there's somebody waiting for me, trying to get me for something I didn't do, didn't plan. It's not my fault. You guys want to make up your lies and make up your own story. You can't make up your own ending. And this is not the never ending story. Let's start.